Welcome to my channel, where today I have something truly extraordinary for you. We're stepping inside one of the boldest, most luxurious, and most futuristic motorhomes in the world. The 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling palace that redefines what luxury travel looks like. Imagine a home that towers with 2 levels of pure comfort, high-tech living spaces, and elegant design features that rival even the finest $10 million villas. The 2026 Dacia Double Decker is a symbol of how far motorhome engineering has come, blending innovation, lifestyle, and prestige into one remarkable package. Today, we're going to take a full tour, diving into the kitchen, bedroom, drawing room, and bathroom to see why this motorhome is taking the luxury travel world by storm. Let's begin with the kitchen. The kitchen inside the Dacia Double Decker Motorhome is a culinary masterpiece, designed for both professional chefs and casual food lovers. It comes with a state-of-the-art induction cooktop that heats instantly, along with a convection oven and built-in smart microwave for effortless cooking. A full-sized refrigerator and freezer ensure you can store everything you need for long trips. The countertops are crafted from premium quartz stone, giving the space an elegant, high-end look. You'll also find a deep farmhouse sink with a pull-down spray faucet for easy cleaning. Smart storage compartments are hidden behind sleek modern cabinetry to maximize space. Integrated lighting provides a warm and stylish ambiance while you prepare meals. The motorhome also includes a built-in coffee and wine bar, perfect for morning energy or evening relaxation. Finally, all appliances are energy efficient, making the kitchen both eco-friendly and luxurious. Now, step into the bedroom. And this is where the Dacia Double Decker truly feels like a 5-star hotel suite. The centerpiece is a king-size memory foam bed that guarantees comfort during every journey. Soft-touch headboards and ambient LED lighting create an inviting and relaxing mood. Large panoramic windows on the upper deck allow natural light to flood in, giving you breathtaking views while lying in bed. There's a smart TV built into the wall opposite the bed, paired with a surround sound system for entertainment. Climate control ensures the perfect temperature, no matter the season or location. Elegant wooden paneling and leather accents make the space rich and stylish. Multiple storage solutions, including wardrobes and underbed drawers, keep your belongings organized. Automated privacy blinds let you control the light and privacy with just one touch. This bedroom isn't just a place to rest, it's an escape into comfort and elegance every single night. Next, the drawing room is nothing short of breathtaking. Located on the main deck, it's designed as both a social hub and a place of relaxation. Plush leather sofas wrap around the space, offering plenty of seating for family and guests. A large 85-inch smart entertainment screen dominates the wall, ideal for movie nights or streaming on the go. There's also a built-in surround sound system that makes the whole room feel like a luxury cinema. The design features include polished wooden floors, LED accent lighting, and panoramic windows for a spacious, open feel. A sleek coffee table and hidden storage compartments keep the area clutter-free. The drawing room also has an extendable dining table for shared meals or even work sessions. Modern climate and light controls let you adjust the mood with ease. It's a perfect blend of elegance and practicality, making the drawing room the beating heart of the motorhome. The bathroom of the 2026 Dacia Double Decker is equally stunning. Imagine walking into a spa-inspired space on wheels. A full-sized glass shower cabin with a rainfall showerhead delivers a refreshing experience wherever you are. Premium marble-style tiles line the walls, adding a luxurious touch. The vanity features a double sink setup with backlit mirrors and premium fixtures. Heated floors provide comfort even on cold mornings, while towel warmers add that extra touch of indulgence. A high-tech toilet system ensures comfort and efficiency, while also being eco-friendly. Spacious cabinets allow plenty of room for toiletries and personal items. Soft ambient lighting creates a relaxing environment, perfect for winding down at the end of the day. With every detail, the bathroom reflects a balance of sophistication and practicality. So why is the 2026 Dacia Double Decker Motorhome the most trending luxury motorhome today? It's not just about its massive double-level design, but also the flawless integration of high-end technology, eco-friendly engineering, and pure luxury. This motorhome is a status symbol for travelers who want the very best, whether on the open road, parked at a resort, or living full-time in style. It's setting new standards for mobile living, proving that a motorhome can be more luxurious than even the most expensive villas. That wraps up today's tour of the incredible Dacia Double Decker Motorhome. Would you live in this rolling $10 million villa on wheels? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping luxury vehicle reviews.